Hey coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's session, we're addressing a new bug that you might struggle to resolve. So without further delay, let's explore today's bug. Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. So here's a clear explanation and the fix for this issue. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Now, let's write the right code and let's see the output. And ta-da! The code is working as it should and our output is looking good. The error has disappeared. And with that, we've come to the end of today's video. If you learned from this video, don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more code fixing tutorials. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding, everyone.